Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I am happy to pop on and share with you the last few days of our Advent calendar. I hope that people that celebrate Christmas and Jesus's birthday had a wonderful time celebrating. We are going into day 21, and look what I got. This is another Santa. And you all know that have been following me from day one that I've had quite a few. And we only need one Santa, right? On to day 22. It's a gnome! Yay! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We have a gnome. It is so cute and adorable. Look at that olive green hat. Too cute. And that burgundy, very nice. December the 23rd is a present. So I hope that you all receive some wonderful items and some great presents that you may have wanted or was on your wish list. And here's day 24, the last one. It's a little mitt. It is so cute. And it's red with the white. And it looks like it says best wishes. So this is what we have for the last 4 days. And I greatly appreciate you all following me for the Gnome Advent Calendar, which really wasn't just gnomes in the Advent Calendar. Cray cray. So these are the last 4 days up close and personal. Real nice. This was fun, even though I did not buy this advent calendar just to get some random ornaments. I only got 3 gnomes. Here they are. Out of 24 days, I thought I was getting a gnome for all 24 days in different colors. I got 5 Santas. Yes, you see some other things, but that was my grandson's little toy collection. So I'm just showing you some snippets from the Virginia Aquarium and Science Center. I took my grandson as one of his Christmas gifts. We had a wonderful time. Thank you all so much for your support during this 2024 year. I greatly appreciate you all. I am working towards getting to 25K, so please help me get there. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video and also the next live stream. I will be showing some yarn coming up. I cannot believe that I went into the yarn store in 2024. So if you want to see what I got during these last days of December, please stay tuned. Turn that notification bell to all so you won't miss a notification. If you are new and you're on the fence, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.